Attention realtors, want to turn heads and close deals faster? Let me introduce you to TidyTex Home Cleaning, the ultimate cleaning service that's transforming homes in San Antonio. Imagine walking into a property that sparkles, inviting buyers to envision their future there. As a retired Army veteran-owned company, we understand the importance of discipline and attention to detail. Our professional team is dedicated to preparing homes for showings, ensuring that every corner feels fresh and welcoming. Whether it's a quick turnaround before an open house or an in-depth clean to make a property shine, we've got you covered. Here's a tidy tip. To enhance your listings without spending a dime, open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. A bright space not only feels more inviting, but also highlights the best features of the home. With TidyTex, you'll not only impress potential buyers, but also speed up the sale process. Ready to transform your listings? Check the video description for more details and contact us today at app.tidytex.us or call 210-951-8206. Let's make your properties unforgettable.